In this video, I'm going to show you how to add vignette in Photopea. Start by opening your project in Photopea and selecting the image to which you want to apply the vignette effect. To make room for adjustment panels, you can hold the space key on your keyboard and drag the canvas slightly to the left so you can clearly see the Layers panel and adjustment options. Once your image is visible and properly positioned, select the image layer from the Layers panel on the right-hand side of your screen. After that, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click on the half circle icon, which represents the New Adjustment Layer option. From the menu that appears, select Gradient Fill. At first, you may notice that your original image disappears and is replaced by a solid gradient. To fix this, click on the arrow next to the gradient preview and select the Foreground Transparent Gradient. This will allow your image to appear beneath the gradient layer. Now, to create the vignette effect, change the gradient type from linear to radial. Once selected, turn on the reverse option to ensure the dark area appears around the edges instead of the center. After that, adjust the scale slider to control how much of the vignette appears in the corners of the image. Increasing the scale will push the vignette toward the edges, creating a more natural effect. If you want to reposition the vignette slightly, you can use the X and Y controls. Adjusting the X value moves the vignette left or right, while adjusting the Y value moves it up or down. Setting both values to 0 keeps the vignette perfectly centered. These controls allow you to fine-tune the effect based on the subject placement in your image. If you need a white vignette instead of a dark one, click on the Gradient Color preview and change the starting color from black to white. This is useful when working with darker backgrounds or specific design styles. Once you are satisfied with the look, your vignette effect will be applied cleanly to the image, and this is how you can add vignette in Photopea.